Okay, napanood niyo na ba yung K-pop Demon Hunters? Like yung animated movie na nasa Netflix that just came out? If hindi niyo pa napapanood, panoorin niyo na kasi sobrang ganda niya, sobrang cute niya, sobrang fun niya. And if you're a K-pop stan, for sure may enjoy niyo to. Pero kahit hindi kayo K-pop stan, may enjoy niyo din talaga tong movie na to. Like yung style, yung animation niya, the vibes, everything. It's really, really good. And if you ask me, it's something na yung tipong you would watch more than once every now and then. Ganun lang siya, like feel good, nice, great, fun movie. Yeah. Although, here are some of my thoughts, which, if you don't want spoilers, just stop watching right now. Watch the movie first, and then maybe come back to my video. Pero, yeah, here are my thoughts. Okay, to be honest, I didn't really vibe with the music that much. Like, it was okay, pero it could have been better, honestly. Like, from a musical standpoint, point of view, production-wise and stuff, it could have been better. Pero I see lots of people enjoying the songs and all that here. So, depende sa tao, I guess. Tapos, medyo like, what's going on with the other plot points? Because, how did the mom and the dad of si girl, Rumi, get together? What happened? What was the situation? What went down? I need the tea, and the tea hasn't been served. So why did y'all off Ginu like that? That was so foul. Sa gwapo niyang yan, tapos biglang gaganunin ninyo. We need a sequel. ASAP. Bring him back. Okay, please. Thank you. Other than that, I love the movie. Thank you. Mwah, mwah.